Hello and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you this stitch, but I want to show you the beginning, the base of this stitch. And with the base you can do so many things. All you need is your imagination, especially those of you that you are advanced in crochet and you know to do many things with these combinations and all that. I think this stitch looks nice for a tablecloth, for a table runner. It's so many things you can do it with this stitch. Yeah. Well, I hope you will enjoy the tutorial and try to modify this stitch. It's quite interesting how many things, how many variations for just starting with the base, yeah, of this stitch. Okay, well, let's start. This stitch works with multiples of 6 plus 3 more chains. I have here 18 chains, so multiples of 6, and now I'm gonna add 3 more chains. So 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna skip the first chain from the hook, and into the second chain we're gonna do a single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. So I'm gonna move to the next chain, single crochet, next chain, single crochet, and so on. Single crochet in each chain. I'm using 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any crochet hook that your yarn recommends. This yarn, it's telling me that I can use between 3.0 and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. But I did many tutorials with this base, with this stitch, so you can modify and you can do so many things, and the stitch will change, will transform, will look different. So single crochet in each chain. You can speed up the speed of the video or slow down the speed of the video if I move too fast or too slow for some of you. Okay, so the last chain, single crochet. So this let's say the stitch that I showed you, the white with the white one here, this stitch has only 2 rows repeat. Yeah, very easy, goes really fast. So we did the single crochet. So this is one of the rows that we're going to repeat, the single crochet. Then we're going to chain 3, turn your work, and now yarn over the hook. We're going to skip the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th stitch we're going to do in there 6 double crochets. So the second, third, 4th, 5th, and the 6th one. So 6 double crochets in that 4th chain, stitch. We're gonna skip the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th stitch we're gonna do 6 double crochets. So this is the base, let's say, and from after you finish this row you can modify, you can do so many things with this this stitch. So I have 5 and the 6th one, and again we're gonna skip the 5 stitches, 2, 4, 5, and into the 6th stitch we're gonna do 6 double crochets. The 5th one and the 6th, and you're gonna be left with 4 stitches. We're gonna skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th, which is the last stitch, I'm gonna go in there and do a double crochet. Yeah, and this is the moment that you will, with the base like this, you can modify and do so many things. But I will show you how I did this stitch, for example. Yeah. So after you do this, you're gonna chain one, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the row with a single crochet. Yeah. So into the first stitch here, single crochet, and now we're gonna do single crochet in each stitch of each shell. So the shell has 6 double crochets, so we're gonna do 6 single crochets. So you go through the stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and you should have 6 in total. Be very careful, sometimes you can miss them. You can miss putting 6 double crochet, or you can miss this one here in the corner. It's so easy to miss. So you move to the next shell, and again you're gonna have 6 single crochets in each stitch. You're gonna do single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and so on. It's such an easy stitch, and you can use this with any yarn size. Remember the 6th one at the end here. Any yarn size, variegated yarn, changing colors. But if you want to change colors, you should change colors every 2 rows. For example, when you start this row of single crochet, then you're gonna attach the new color. The last double crochet of that shell, and we have the chain 3, and you're gonna go on top of the chain, the 3rd chain on top there, single crochet, and now you're gonna chain 3, turn your work. It's gonna look like this, and now you're gonna repeat the 2nd row. So you're gonna skip the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th you're gonna do 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one. And you're gonna repeat. You're gonna skip the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6 you're gonna put 6 double crochets. Then you're gonna skip next 5 stitches, and into the 6 you're gonna do 6 double crochets, and at the end you're gonna be left with 4 stitches. You're gonna skip the 3 stitch, and into the last one you're gonna do a double crochet. You're gonna chain 1, you're gonna turn your work, and you're gonna start the row with a single crochet in each stitch. Yeah. So it's very easy, goes really fast, but basically I just wanted to show you the base. With that base you can start so many different stitches just with that one, the base. Well, hope you like, and maybe you'll find something to do. Can be a baby blanket for summer, can be a cardigan, a vest, a blouse with a thinner yarn. Well, give it a try. You might enjoy this stitch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.